Welcome to part 25 of the 1000 Verb Challenge. Let's get started. Capture. Capture. The camera can capture a picture of us smiling together. Concentrate. Concentrate. I need to concentrate so I can color inside the lines. Contribute. Contribute. We all contribute to making a big drawing for the class. Interpret. Interpret. The teacher helps us interpret a tricky story with fun words. Analyze. Analyze. We analyze the puzzle pieces to see where they fit. Organize. Organize. Let's organize the crayons by color so it's easy to find them. Support. Support. When my friend feels sad, I support them by giving a hug. Restore. Restore. We restore the tower by stacking the blocks back together. Illustrate. Illustrate. I like to illustrate my stories with lots of cute pictures. Confirm. Confirm. We confirm the party is tomorrow by checking the invite. That's it for today's 10 verbs. Keep practicing, and make sure to subscribe for more in our 1000 Verb Challenge. See you in the next video.